Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best CNC linear guide rails, essential for anyone looking to improve the precision and stability of their CNC machine. These guide rails are perfect for reducing friction and providing smooth, accurate movement in all your projects. We'll review the top models, their features, and why they're ideal for serious CNC work. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to boost the performance of your CNC setup, let's get started. Number 5. Fuyu FSK30J Mini Linear Guide Rail. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient linear motion solution, look no further than the Fuyu FSK30J Mini Linear Guide Rail. This compact yet powerful actuator is designed for precision and versatility, making it a must-have for CNC enthusiasts and DIY makers alike. With a guide width of 30 mm, the FSK30J boasts a robust construction that ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into various applications, from 3D printers to robotic systems. The rail is engineered to handle a stroke range of 50 to 500 mm, giving you the flexibility you need for different projects. Equipped with ball screw technology, the FSK30J delivers exceptional smoothness and accuracy in motion. Number 4. LHOHWP Linear Rail Guide. If you're on the lookout for a reliable, high-performance linear rail guide for your CNC setup, the 4 LHOHWP Linear Rail Guide system is worth considering. This package includes 2 HGR20 linear rail guides in your choice of length, and 4 HGH20CA linear carriages. Built from durable bearing steel, these guides are designed to support the precision movements that CNC machines demand, whether for hobbyist or professional applications. The 20 mm guide width makes it versatile enough for various machines, yet narrow enough to fit into compact builds without sacrificing stability. Designed for smooth, accurate linear motion, each carriage is equipped with high-quality bearings to ensure a frictionless glide. With the option to customize lengths from 100 mm to over a meter, LHOHWP has made it easy to match this rail to nearly any CNC design specification. This flexibility allows users to select the right length for their particular project, providing just the amount of travel and support needed for precise positioning. Number 3. Yandan Ttype Linear Rail. The Yandan Ttype Linear Rail Motor Slide Stage Kit is a standout solution for those seeking high-precision performance in compact, small-scale CNC applications. This XYZ axis sliding table kit, designed with a micro-linear guide rail and translation stage, delivers reliable, smooth movement, perfect for detailed tasks like engraving, milling, or scientific equipment setups. Equipped with a robust trapezoidal screw T6 in multiple pitch options, 1 mm, 2 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, and 12 mm. Number 2. Yandan T06 Ttype Sliding Table Rail. For those in search of a precise, compact, and efficient linear motion solution, the Yandan T06 Ttype Sliding Table Rail is a fantastic option. Engineered for CNC setups, this sliding table rail kit offers both power and precision, making it ideal for small to medium-scale CNC tasks such as engraving, cutting, and micromachining. This kit comes equipped with a NEMA 11 stepper motor paired with a TB6600 driver, ensuring smooth, reliable movement. With a holding torque of 6.5 Nm, 0.065 Nm, it has ample power to maintain stability under light loads. The unit supports a maximum horizontal load of 5 kg and a vertical load of 1 kg, accommodating most small CNC applications. The Ttype trapezoidal screw, T6, is available in multiple pitch options, from 1 mm to 12 mm, giving you flexibility in choosing speed and torque based on your project's needs. One of its standout features is the high repeat positioning accuracy of your 0.02 mm to 0.03 mm, perfect for applications that require exact measurements. Number 1. CPDXK Linear Rail Guide. The CPDXK Linear Rail Guide is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking reliable, high-performance linear motion for CNC routers. Designed with versatility and precision in mind, this package includes 2 linear rails, available in widths of 15 mm, 20 mm, or 25 mm, and 4 high-quality carriage blocks, making it well-suited for both industrial and hobbyist applications. These rails deliver stability and smooth motion, critical for CNC work, where accuracy is essential. Constructed with high-grade materials, each rail and block is built to endure heavy-duty usage, Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe.